So, you need to give your dog an injection at home. Here are some tips to help set you and your pet up for success. Sometimes dogs need medications that are given by injection into the tissue just under the skin. Receiving an injection can cause momentary discomfort, so it may take a little time for your dog to become accustomed to the process. However, most dogs learn to tolerate injections if you are patient and make the experience positive. First, you'll want to gather all the necessary supplies so you are fully prepared. You will need a syringe, needle, and the medication you will be giving. Make sure you have the correct medication and appropriately sized syringe and needle. Holding the syringe with the needle pointing upward, pull back the plunger to draw the same volume of air into the syringe as the medication you need. While holding the medication vial upside down, uncap the needle and insert it into the vial's rubber stopper. Depress the plunger to push the air into the vial. While making sure the tip of your needle is below the liquid, draw the appropriate volume into the syringe. If you have accidentally drawn air into the syringe, inject the air back into the vial and remove the needle from the vial. You will also need a second person to help gently restrain your dog. If you have a smaller dog, it may be easiest to place them on an elevated surface, such as a table. Next, choose the location you will inject. Most dogs handle injections best when given 1 to 2 inches from the middle of the back, near the shoulder blades, or hips. If injections will be given over multiple days, be sure to change locations each time to avoid soreness. To inject the medication, gently pinch your dog's skin with your fingers and lift up. This pulls the skin away from the underlying tissue, creating a tent. Insert the needle into the tent at an angle perpendicular to the skin's surface. To ensure you are not in a blood vessel, pull back on the plunger and make sure no blood flows into the syringe. If it does, pull your needle back slightly and repeat the process until no blood is seen. Once you have confirmed that you are not in a blood vessel, inject the medication slowly over 5 seconds. When you are finished, withdraw the needle from your dog's skin and immediately place the entire syringe into a sharps container or other hard plastic container. Reward your dog with praise or a special treat to help them form a positive association with the process, which will make them more accepting of injections in the future. If your dog struggles, you can try distracting them by scratching behind their ears, talking to them, or giving them a favorite treat. If that doesn't work, you may need to increase their restraint slightly. If your dog tries to bite, you can also try using a muzzle. As always, don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.